Traders are still avoiding risky assets. However, the euro and the pound sterling continue hovering at their previous levels. It's obvious that market participants will hardly switch to active trading ahead of the weekend. The UK retail sales data exceeded even the most optimistic forecast, thus the indicator increased by 9.1% after a drop of 0.9%. Economists had expected a smaller rise of 7.2%. Nevertheless, the currency market remains stagnant. Even the British pound failed to show a jump. It seems that market participants have simply ignored such a strong report. The fact is that a surge in retail sales is just a statistical trick, as the rule in December retail sales advance, whereas in January they fall. However, last year the situation was a bit different as retail sales dropped. The fact is that consumers felt concerned about the surge in inflation and carried Christmas shopping a bit earlier than usual, namely in November. As a result, in December the indicator slumped, and in January the situation improved as retail sales showed a significant rise compared to the same months in 2021. In fact, the increase is quite modest. Judging by an absolutely empty macroeconomic calendar, the currency market is likely to close the trading week with a stagnation. Let us take a look at the trading charts of the euro and the pound sterling to determine their future movement. The euro-dollar pair slackened after an insignificant drop of the resistance level of 1.14. A series of doji candlesticks on the 4-hour chart reflects hesitation among traders. The mentioned candlesticks and stagnation are highly likely to result in acceleration. Judging by the price fluctuation, traders should pay attention to the range of 1.1320 and 1.1400. The price fixation beyond either limit may lead to a surge in market activity. This approach allows traders to enter the market at the beginning of a new impulse. Thus, buy positions could be opened after the price consolidates above 1.1400 on the 4-hour chart with a target of 1.1460. Sell orders could be initiated when the price fixes below 1.1320 with a target of 1.1290. Although the pound-dollar pair locally broke the upper limit of the range of 1.3500 and 1.3600, it's still hovering near it. Signal levels are located at 1.3490 and 1.3630. If the price fixes at either level on the 4-hour chart, we will receive a signal about the end of the sideways movement. Until then, the channel will remain intact. Under the backdrop, traders are still focused on the price hovering around the upper limit of the range, since the market may provide a signal at any moment. If the price settles above 1.3630 on the 4-hour chart, an uptrend is likely to begin. In this case, the pair may return to the local high recorded on January 13. A downward movement within the channel will become possible if the price fixes below 1.3600. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you!